Hello everybody. So I'm recording with my 7 Plus right now. I'm sorry if the audio is a little bit muffled. That's because my 7 Plus is a complete piece of crap, which is why I ended up getting the iPhoneXr today. I just got back from AT&T, and I've always planned on doing an unboxing when I got the XR or whatever phone I ended up getting. So here it is. Here we are. We're gonna unbox it, and I'm just gonna review it. I've never had a phone that doesn't have the button, so this is gonna be, it's gonna be different. It's gonna take me a while to get used to. You can probably slightly see that I ended up choosing the red tinted one that has red on the back. They only had options black and red, and I chose the red one because I've always chose the black phone, and I wanted something different, spice things up a bit. So here we are. We have the iPhone XR, brand new. Have not opened it yet. It's still got that plastic stuff on it, and we're just gonna jump right into it. After I record this video, my future videos that I post on YouTube are gonna be recorded with this, better sound quality, better picture quality. It's gonna be great. And for those that are wondering, the reason I was able to actually get this phone, AT&T is actually doing a deal right now that if you have unlimited data, you can go in, and it's a part of their Black Friday sale. You can get a free iPhone XR, which I just found out about today, and I need a new phone because my iPhone 7 Plus is cracked. The speaker muffles my voice. It's just a piece of crap. So here we go. Let's open up the box. And as you can notice, it's actually a 64 gigabyte, which is going to be a little different from what I'm used to, because I'm actually used to having a 32 gigabyte. That's what my iPhone 7 Plus is. So let's take this off. Alright. Look at that beauty. Not sure what this is. Let's open this up quick. Okay, we got our iPhone stickers. That's always good. Alright, we'll put the papers off to the side. That's not what we came to the video for. Let's check this baby out. So, it's kind of hard to see because it's just the black screen. Look at that. Perfect. Heck yeah. So there's the beauty. Right there, perfect. And I guess we'll try to turn it on. Here we go. While that's turning on, we got our new set of headphones. That's a plus. We've got our charger. And I think what I'm going to do actually is put this stuff back in here. If I can close this, because we have all the goodies, and we'll just put that there. I actually don't know how to work this thing at all, so we're gonna wing
it. 2 hours later.
So I unlocked the phone. I bought a screen protector for it, and I also got a case so that it would be protected. After having the iPhone for the whole day, it is good, it works good, I love it, it's much better than the iPhone 7. I have no complaints. So, thanks for watching.